Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about one of the most notorious 87s to come out of St. James. This young man, when you hear me say unknown, you have to understand it's a play on words. Because you might have heard about Stone Crusher, because of the name big, the name is infamous. But Stone Crusher produced some offsprings. One of those offsprings was the Unknown Gang. And Damian Samuels, aka Damage, right, come from out of this camp, this umbrella. So think of Stone Crusher as the umbrella, or the tree, right, the acidic tree. And then you have the little branches them will sprout off, right. Today we're going to focus on Damian Samuels. Very notorious individual. In some ways, I guess you could say he lived up to his name, because that's exactly what him do. Create a lot of damage, right, all over St. James. Now, think of this as a brief introduction. You see, I'm not going to go 100% with this video on damage. Of course, I'm going to tell you about some of the things that him do, forget, right, the reputation we have. But you have to understand, damage is a part of a much bigger story. You see, Damage story is intertwined with another individual who, without a shadow of a doubt, is one of the biggest violence producers in St. James. Him and Damage are come from the same era, right, all the way back to the Stone Crusher days, from the Eldon Calvary days. But you see, this individual is now, or has been for a while, hiding behind music. Now, if he was sticking to the music, would I say, alright, look like life turn around, I guess. But still in the acidity, still in the madness. So before I go any further with the Damage video, I'm going to speak directly to that individual, Mr. Producer. Just so there's no confusion, I talk about the brother who have the mole on their eye. I talk about the same brother where your favorite artists say have the Matic and Dutch have the clutch one. Yeah. Take heed, Mr. Producer. This video is about Damage, but me know the role where you did play the whole Damage thing, right? And the Dutch thing, and the, you know what, just take heed. Damian Samuels. This young man, right, and he was young, when he lost his life, I think he was just 30 years old. Right. Ended up becoming one of the most feared 87s in Mobile. Not feared because he was physically imposing, like most 87s. He was actually quite a short individual. He was about 5'6" or something like that. Right, but I'm telling about the short 87s I'm already, them extra dangerous. Right. Damage, name call upon some serious hits. You see, he was, I guess you could think of him as the muscle, right, one of the main muscle for when your favorite producer did start to get stronger and stronger. Right? Because you see, at first, Eldon Calvert being the done for Stone Crusher, but as me say, Stone Crusher, and them start branch off now, start getting own little acidic branches. Right? Your favorite producer start get theme strength. Damage was one of the man them, right, who, as me said, live up to his name, create a lot of damage. Speaking about Eldon Calvert, after he lost his life, guess who was one of the individuals who got charged for what happened to Eldon Calvert? Yes, the same Damage. Yeah. Other people, enough money go for Eldon, to be honest. I mean, remember Ackroyd Sterling was also charged. For those of you who might be thinking that name sound familiar, remember the story about the little boy in Mobile who ended up get caught in some 87 apps. Right? And I did a video saying his father, right, was notorious 87 as well. But that's the same Ackroyd Sterling. It was his son that ended up lose his life when 87s turned up. right? And you know, for them watch already on the look of you, then they get caught tonight. So after the Eldon Calvert era, where if you see video upon him, by now the youths them, enough of them stop take talk from Eldon, right? Start with them own thing, right? Start to branch off, as me say, you have the unknown. Damage is one of the youth them now will start to rise out of that. Right? See, Damage was highly rated in the unknown gang because one of them 87 day, where when they tell them say, go for that money do this, even if you get take care of, you don't really need to convince him. Just like over in the clans, you have people like Jay Bud and them on there. One time when you say the money go for him, then they need a big long explanation. Then they need, but why? But tell me, then they need a convincing. Them gone. That's a Damage to you. As me say, him live up to him name. And he wasn't alone because at the time, there's a place in Mobile named Supermarket, right? That's Salt Spring. They said it have some extremely dangerous young men. Right? And when the whole of them lick head, right, come together and start compete, who can do this the most, who can take out the most people. Alright, yeah, you kill a man or two, but when me the kill a man, me the give more rounds, me do something more gruesome. When you see the similarities between the various acidic areas in Jamaica, the same way the clansmen used to operate. Alright, okay, you have 5 dopey, me have 5 dopey, but my 5 dopey them, me take with them head and fling them away. And people argue and compete over who is more acidic, who can rain down more death and destruction. Right? At the time, I saw the Salt Spring you did a run. Right? And Damage, right, was theme name did it right at the very top. So you know, say, when even amongst that group of killers, when people are going to say, alright, Damage, right, you have other man like Tonys, right, you have Foxy, you have G-Man, there's enough of them. Matter of fact, there was an infamous incident that took place in Birdhill, right, Salt Spring, where the man them running the place and rain down pure death and destruction. When time then done, right, house set on fire, multiple people lose them life. A matter of fact, residents can tell a horror story. So the morning after the attack, them see dog, right, a troop on people head, take off man head and fling pan gun, all kind of madness. One of the most brutal attacks take place in a Salt Spring. Those were dangerous times. You see, Damage name was always on the radar for the security forces. Matter of fact, one time when him get real hot, Damage decides that he might take away himself. Find himself all the way. Right? Guess which island Damage gone. Guess which island Damage decides that he might go lay low. Right? Can't you know the wanted man thing already, right? The lovely Bahamas. But Damage end up get deep. Yes, 2015, Damage get deep, and when time in touch back at Jamaica and them might run in, they might say, hold on. No Damage this. The same Damian Samuels. Them never even know say him left the country. Them find out say him left the country when he get deep back to the country. Think about that. Police them hold on upon him, right? Them go charge him. Finally them say, yeah man, we get him. But just like a eel, Damage is always slippery. Right? Every time the police think say them get him, alright, case can bill, you know it go already. The witnesses not turn up. People who say them did go testify, all of a sudden change their mind. Right? People get intimidated to change them statement and say them actually me never say nothing. Because you know that is something will happen very often, right? 87s intimidate people, right? Make them friend on the road intimidate people for change statement and say, well actually me never say nothing, you know, so and then you know what will happen next, I forget Lego. Right? But even though Damage was known in a Mobile, right? Salt Spring people know about him, right? Mobile police know about him. Jamaica as a whole never really hear the name Damian Samuels, never really hear the name Damage. But in fact, one of the first time he make news big time, right? because he's been on wanted list and all them things. One of the first time when he really made the news big time, although enough people never realize it, because you know them time they never used to release the picture. And I like now when you see JSA for release wanted man name and picture, them time they just hear a name saying they mean nothing to you. There was a incident, a youth named Brady and a woman named Stephanie Song, who was also related to a politician. But on that fateful night, the man never business about that. Brady and Steph, I walked through the lane. The man them ambushed them. M16 rifle, multiple rifles. As you can imagine, it was a gruesome scene. It didn't take long. Right? At least they never go through the whole heap of misery and suffering like where them and they were known to put them victims through. Right? It was over relatively quickly. Right? But nevertheless, right, it sent shockwaves through the community. Immediately, police them send call for damage. Because even though in the Get Dip 2015, right, them lock him up, let him go. Right. Them as alright, it look like say things cool out. No. You have to understand, 87s like damage. Apex 87s. Even one time you think say them cool. Even one time you think say them done with the badness. Right. Them can't help themselves. Them gone right back in it. Which is why I'm telling you, there's only two ways, right, to stop an Apex 87. And damage, well, him end up go out one of the two ways, and it wasn't a jail cell. You see, after one of his many trips back and forth at jailhouse, right, because damage was one of them 87s where they constantly have to check in, right. Even when time him get Lego, he must report a station, right, then they lock him up for a little bit, then they let him go, then he must report a station. As he was going through one of these time periods, just left station, go look for his mother, right, decides to man touch the road. Within a matter of hours, road touched back in the community. Damage was dead. At first, some people were in denial because enough people never even know say him that road. Anytime him gone missing, is either him gone back in a jail or him a lay low in a some other parish or something like that. So, when people definitely get the confirmation say damage, lose him life, the next question was how? And that's where your favorite producer come in. You see, I can't even go into too much details in this video about the hit with them put on damage, because in order to tell that story, it have to get tell side of your favorite producer story. So if push come to shove and that video touch the road, that's where you're going to hear just how covetous your favorite producer is. But it never stopped there. So you see, Damage had a brother. Yes, right. There was Damien, right, Samuels, right, and he had a brother called Ron Samuels. The two of them lost their lives within days of each other. See that on your screen. Damage dropped out the 19th, and then Ron come drop out the 23rd. Now here's the thing. Ron was also at 87. The Samuels brothers. But you see, when things get hot, Ron decides that he might take away himself. You know, the whole situation will go on unknown and, you know, wrong turn and the whole supermarket hot, all kind of things. Ron decides that he might take away himself. Guess which country he go? Costa Rica. So he should be safe, right? How many people know say there's quite a large contingent of Jamaicans in Costa Rica? That means that man have links in a Costa Rica. That means that people who have money can still put hit on Jamaicans who run away for Costa Rica. And that's exactly what happened. to run. You see, the Samuel brothers were a problem for certain individuals. And them set up and get out the two youth them in less than a week. Now, Damage, film situation, apart from the fact that people is shocked, say, you know, them get him out so easy. Because people expect he was going to be this hell of a, you know, when you have a reputation like Damage, people think say I go into this spectacular shootout. But apart from that, people could have make sense out of it. Run hit. That was the one what make people scratch them head. Because as me say, it happened all the way in Costa Rica. And that was when enough people start to realize, say, hold on there. Some serious money I spend. Because one thing if you put hit per man, Oliver Mobile. One thing if you put hit per man, we live in Jamaica. But when your money can stretch across to Costa Rica and make people lose their life there, so that's when certain people start to realize just what they're up against and realize that they might get outspent. A big money they might worried. Big links they might worried. Ron Samuels, Damian Samuels, might lose them in less than a week. But as I say, to fully understand Damage story, I have to tie in other members that won't be fully covered in this video. We just want to remember some names. Remember the name G-Man. Remember the name Dutch. I already tell you about Brady. Of course, your favorite producer. You see, this whole story I go tie into one. And it will fully make sense. Me just need to introduce you to Damage, who's a key player in all of this. Remember how I did the video with Scott from Klansman, 18-year-old Scott, before I did the Tradiga Park video, right? Me have to introduce him to Scott. That way when time in the Tradiga Park video, me talk about certain things, you can say, oh, no, me understand and see. Because when I did the Scott video, people say, Sir P, why you never make the Scott video longer and go deeper? No. That was just the intro. The Tradiga Park video was the video where I was tying not just Scott, but the full story. So this is what is happening now. Damage. This is just an intro. This is not a full breakdown. When the bigger video drop, that's when you're going to say, oh, no, me see what Sir P did I do. As to when that video is going to drop, well, that's completely up to your favorite producer on how his 87s have an effect on the crime rate in St. James. But me say, right now, we're sick and tired of being sick and tired. St. James, Mobile, has been going on and on like this for far too long. The people them who drive the madness, none of them don't even live in a Mobile. None of them live a town. Some of them even live a foreign, like the so-called artists that are fired. I would think so we don't know where I'm going with. But even him is a stooge of the producer. And when they hear what happened to Film Brother, you're gonna understand what I say. He's a stooge. But as I say, this is just the intro to Damage. The full story, I got blow enough people's mind. And before me end the video, I just want to say, I will cover some more Mobile 87s down the line. See, enough of the people them, why you know seeing the video drop for them is because I can't get a good picture. Enough of the picture them shaky and you know them 100%. I like to use good pictures, right? Because otherwise it's just not the same telling the story with a picture. But we still have enough views to cover. Even other members from the Stone Crusher days. For example, remember I tell about that teenager in Stone Crusher, the cop killer, Damian Vassell. Still go cover him. Right? You have enough other youth, right? When I was to the job. I'm just working on getting some good pictures of them. Anyway, I'm going to leave this on right here for now. HM Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, I don't know, More Life, Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.